What's up everybody, Ammar here. In today's video we will talk about USB charging cables and I will recommend some high quality charging cables for you. If you are new to this channel, in this channel we have unboxing and reviews for the latest technology gears and gadgets, photography, videography tips, camera reviews and gaming. So consider to subscribe if you are not already. For USB charging cables, we are using USB charging cables to charge our devices from smartphones, tablets, cameras, and many different gears and gadgets and accessories. So we are using charging cables a lot and in many different types: lightning cables, USB-C, and micro USB. You know this cable, guys, right? This is the Apple lightning cable. Very famous cable, right? This cable, I hate it. I hate this cable too much. It's not high quality cable, it's not durable, and it can break easily. In today's video, guys, I will recommend for you some high quality cables you can rely on in your daily use. This cable, we are using this cable to charge the iPod, iPhone, iPad, and recently we start using this cable to charge even the Apple Magic Mouse 2 and the Apple Magic Trackpad 2 and the Apple Magic Keyboard 2. In today's video, guys, I will show you some cables, premium quality cables you can rely on in your daily use. You can use these cables and these cables can last for a long time, and it's really annoying to have cable like this from big company like Apple. They are shipping this cheap cable with every single device they are selling, and this cable, guys, as I told you, it's not quality cable and it can break easily, and it's not cheap even in terms of price. When you are going to buy it, you are going to pay $20 for something you know it will not last for a long time. When it comes to USB charging cables, I rely on Anker. This company, they are making amazing cables, high quality cables, premium cables, and in different shapes, different styles, different colors, and different lengths. Look to this cable, guys. It is just always one design, one color, one length. It doesn't make any sense for me. So because of this, guys, I'm making this video today to show you bunch of cables, bunch of options from Anker, and some cables more affordable than this lightning cable from Apple. Let me show you, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see here, I got all the possible options. We have Apple lightning cables, USB Type-C cables, and micro USB cables. And yes, still I'm using micro USB cables to charge some devices. Still, some devices comes with micro USB connector. Let's start with the Apple lightning cables. We have here two boxes. Each box comes with two Apple lightning cables. The first box, two Apple lightning cables, each one 3 feet. And with the second box, we have two Apple lightning cables, each one 6 feet. Look, guys, what we get from Apple. One design, one color, one length, while here we have options. Let's start with the first box. Let's open this box. Look, guys, to the packaging from Anker. The cable come with high quality premium case. And when you open the case, you will get this amazing cable from Anker. Actually, you are getting two cables in this case. Look, guys, to the quality. Look, guys, to the materials used here. High quality cable from Anker. It is way better than the standard cable we are getting from Apple. This cable from Anker made to last for very long time. Look guys to the quality, and look guys to the connector, how much it is solid. This cable guys available in many different colors. You can pick the color you want or you prefer. For me, I picked the red color. What else inside the box? We have some paper stuff, some contacts, and they are asking if you are happy or not happy with Anker product, and share your feedback with Anker if you want. Amazing packaging, I like it. Now let's look to the second box. This box comes with two Apple Lightning cables for Apple iPhone, iPod, iPad, or any other Apple device using Lightning connector. This box guys comes with two Apple Lightning cables, each one 6 feet. Look guys to this case. Now this is longer case, because here we are talking about 6 feet. Look guys to the quality. Again, amazing quality from Anker. Long cable, so you can use it with your devices, with your Apple devices, to charge your Apple devices. Look guys to the quality. Premium materials used here. This is the 6 feet version of the Apple Lightning cable. I just showed you the 3 feet, and now this is the 3 feet on top of the 6 feet. Look guys to the difference. With the 6 feet cable, you can easily charge your Apple smartphone or device while you are laying on the sofa, and enjoy using your mobile while it is getting charged. Okay guys, with the first two boxes, we got two Lightning cables 3 feet and two Lightning cables 6 feet. Now let's have a look to the USB Type-C cables. In this box, we have two USB Type-C cables, and each one 6 feet. Let's open the box. Again guys, I picked the red color. Again, amazing quality, premium quality, excellent cable made to last for a very long time. I will use this cable to charge my Sony Xperia XZ Premium and my Samsung S9 Plus. One more box for the USB Type-C cables. Two cables, each one 3 feet. And I picked all my cables in pair, so I can keep one cable in my bag and one cable in my car. And now the micro USB cables. Let's start with the 3 feet version. This one comes with case. This is the micro USB cable from Anker, 3 feet. Same quality, same design from Anker. And I picked all in red, as you can see. So two micro USB cables, 3 feet, each one in a box and in a case. Now let's have a look to the last box. In this box we have two cables, micro USB cables, each one 6 feet. And this time, this cable comes with special connector, or let's say special design. This cable comes with gold-plated micro USB connector. So guys, as you can see, premium quality, premium material, cable made to last for a long time with gold-plated connector. You will never ever get such cable and such quality with the standard cable you are getting with your smartphone. Now guys, you decide by yourself. Are you going to buy something like this, or you are going to buy something like this? The difference in quality very clear. Most of the cables in our hands today very cheap, and the quality not good, and the cable, especially from the connector side, it can break easily. And guys, as you can see, you can buy cables from companies like Anker with amazing quality. If you decided to get any one of these cables, just make sure to use one of the links in the description below. I will keep links for all the cables I talked about today. Guys, to be honest, I did not get anything from Anker to make this review. This is personal purchase. I'm happy with my purchase. Now I can use these cables to charge my devices. I can rely on these cables in my daily use. For me, it doesn't make any sense to pay $20 for Apple to buy such cheap, low quality cable, while with $20 I can get two cables from Anker, premium quality, amazing design, cable can last for a long time, and I can pick the color I want. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.